Assalamualaikum. I made a shoe sole for 0 to 3 months, and I will show you how to make a beautiful baby shoe. Now let's start. First of all, chain one, and then insert in the back loop of the shoe. Look at the chain. This is the chain and the back loop is this one is the back loop. Insert your hook in the back loop and make single crochet, back loop, single crochet, back loop, single crochet, back loop, and do it all around till to the end. I will be back in a moment. Now I finished my row. Now I will put stitch marker in the middle of the shoe. See the line? This is the middle. This stitch is the middle of shoe. Now count from there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. In the 6th stitch, put another stitch mark. This one, okay? Now start chain 1 and single crochet in every stitch till to the stitch mark. This one. Single crochet in every stitch. Now I am here. Remove the stitch marker. Now skip two stitches and make double crochet, 2 stitches in the third one, make double crochet 3 times. 1, 2 and 3. Now again skip 2 and double crochet in the third stitch 3 times. Skip 2 in the third, make 3 double crochet. Now skip 2 and third, make single crochet. Now make single crochet in every stitch till to the end. Now I am starting my third row, chain 1 and the same stitch, make single crochet, and now again make single crochet in every stitch. Okay, when I reach there, skip 1, 2, 3 stitches, 1, 2, 3, and in the fourth make 3 double crochet. 1 2 and this one is 3. Now again skip 2 in the middle, make 3 double crochet. Again skip 2 in the middle of shell, make 3 double crochet. Now skip 3, 1 2 3, in the fourth make single crochet. Now make single crochet till to the end. Now I finished my single crochet. Now again chain 1 in the same stitch, make single crochet, and again make single crochet in all stitches. Now again skip 1 2 3 stitches, and in the middle of the shell make 3 double crochet. Again skip 2 in the middle of shell, make 3 double crochet, and again skip 2 in the middle, make double crochet 3 times. Now skip 3, 1 2 3, in the fourth make single crochet, and now make single crochet in all stitches till end. Now in the fifth round I will make 3 chain and double crochet in the stitches, 1 stitch in one double crochet in 1 stitch. Okay, 1 2 3. Now make half double crochet, single crochet in 3, and skip 1 2 3 and make double crochet in the middle of shell in the fourth one, and in fourth stitch make 3 double crochet. Now skip 2, make 3 double crochet, one 2, in third make 3 double crochet. Okay, 1 2 3 4. Okay, now skip 1 2 3, in the fourth make single crochet, in the next make single crochet 4 times single crochet. Now half double crochet and make double crochet. In the last of this line here I will make decrease. Now I will make decrease of this two. Now I have 3 loop on my needle and skip in the third chain. Okay, now make single crochet, chain 1, in the same make single crochet and single crochet in every stitch. I will tell you what to do next. Single crochet when you reach to the half double crochet. This one is half double crochet. Make single crochet. Now chain 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 and 13. Okay, for this side. For this side, this side. Okay, now skip 1, 2, 3. In the fourth, make single crochet. Now make single crochet to the end. Like this. Now I am here. Now I will make slip stitch in the next chain like this. Now this is my strip. Now what to do? Now I will make slip stitch till to the other side. Make slip stitch in all stitches. Slip stitch. When you reach to the half double crochet stitch, this one, make slip stitch here too. Now chain 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 and 13. Now skip 1, 2, 3 and the fourth make single crochet. This one is for the other side. Single crochet in all stitches. My last stitch. Now make single crochet again to the end. Now my shoe is ready. I put the button from two sides, on two sides. See how beautiful it is. I hope you will like it. Please like and subscribe my channel. Till to the next video. Take care of yourself and Allah Hafiz.